Tailor Tim was known for his impeccable suits and awful memory. One rainy morning, he grabbed an umbrella from his shop, not realizing it belonged to his eccentric customer, Mrs. Fletcher. As he walked down Main Street, a gust of wind turned the umbrella inside out, revealing a hidden compartment. Out popped a small parrot, squawking, "Polly wants a refund." Confused but amused, Tim continued, only to have the parrot repeat the phrase every few blocks. By the time he reached the cafe, a crowd had gathered, laughing uncontrollably. Tim's face turned red as Mrs. Fletcher approached, saying, "Tim, I see you've met my umbrella's guardian." And that's how Tailor Tim became the talk of the town.